Good evening po! Welcome to my vlog. Ako po nga pala si Kaduray. Ako ay bago ngayon. Ako lang baby lamang sa YouTube. Kaya, welcome to my vlog! Ngayon, today, I'm going to cook some dinner. So, mag-ano ako ng ito. Tawag ito. Cucumber. So I will do this first because gagawin ko itong parang yung Swedish cucumber. I'm going to make some Swedish, the traditional, we call it pan beef, grind pork with onion and gravy. It's really nice, and with a special, we call that lingon berry. I don't know it's in English, but it's really nice. I will show you. But this one is also in the side. We use the pickles. I think it's you put you have that also in sa Pilipinas or everywhere. Sorry. Masarap. So gawa natin ito. Lagay natin parang pickles. I think it's pickles. But I use the fresh one. Oh, teka muna, baka ang aking kamay. Baka mapasamang kuko. Dahil protein naman yun. Kumusta na po kayo? I just come home from work. Nice weather today. So, ginaguna ko na. Yan. I use like this. Small and thin. Kaya always eating. Mamaya wala na. May wala na akong mailagay sa pickles. Nakain na. Oh, dahan-dahan. Yun. Tama na yun. Kami lang dalawa naman eh. Sorry. I'm hungry now. Ito. Yun. Lipat, baka gunagunahin. Ito masarap itong kainin ang gurka. Gurka. In Swedish, we call this gurka. Cucumber sa Tagalog. Pipino sa Tagalog. Cucumber in English. So, that's it. So, and I will put that in the jar. So, gawin na natin ito. Yung pinaka sauce, yung para ito ay to put it in the sauce. Not sauce. To make it pickle, so you have to make this kind of sauce or water. Sorry. This is the vinegar in Sweden. We call this etika. So I have to put 1 tablespoon. I think I said 2. Always. Laging nagkamali. Always wrong. Anyway, I'm not following the instruction. I just do this on my own. And then sugar, 2 tablespoons. Sugar, white sugar, and salt, little bit so. And then it should be white pepper, but I don't like white pepper. This black, it's good. So, I think, yes. And then I don't have the fresh parcel. So I have this in the, the dry one. It's good. It's also good. So you mix this. This, look, with vinegar, Swiss vinegar, etica, we call that. And so, sugar, and pepper, and salt, and parsley. So I need 1 deciliter water. 1 deciliter water. Tubig kayo dyan. Oh, lagay. 1 deciliter. Kaboom. Kaboom. Oh. Halo-halo tayo. Yon, galing. Yon. Solve na. Hinanap ko pa rin eh. Nagtago pa. Ere, dito ko ilalagay. I will put it here. The cucumber. So I put it like this. And then like that. So layer by layer. I think. Layer by layer. So, and then put it lahat. Everything inside. Oh, before I put the last one, so I put the dry parcel. So, and then that, and then pasensya na po. So, lagay natin na. Wow. Para yata ang galing nun na. So, you will see what will happen. So, I have to put it in refrigerator. And then ready mamaya. After I made the other one, the Swedish, what you call it, pan beef. So I think it's enough. But I have to taste. What? Para akong horse. Tawag dito yung kabayo. Asim noon. Maasim. Pero it's good. Really good. Sour and salt. Sour and sweet. So, look, the pickles. Enough for 30 minutes. So, and then it's done. Voila! Look. Go. I will open again. And then you can see. Like that. Look. Na. So, we close that and put it in the ref. Voila! So, ating we will mix this grind pork with ingredients: pepper, salt, chili flakes, and everything. kahit ano yun yung ilagay. Ikaw mata yata. Ang mata ko napungay. Kahit pumungay, hindi naman pa naggaganda si Kaduray. Sorry. I used to put, cut natin muna asin. Uy, ikaw muna, aking damit nalaglag. So, Lagyan ko lang ng salt. Salt. Madami yata. Hindi. No. And as usual, my I love this one. All seasoning. The lemon pepper. It's really good. And then chili flakes. Madami yata. Yayain na. Parang asbok ang uso ng mister. Parang dragon. So, as usual, I have, basilica. Everything. I put it everything. So, masarap. Yeah, that's it. No kabong-kabong. Kayo nagugutom na para yata. Dahil yung mister ko nasa labas pa. Kaya daw siya papasok, ginagawa sa garahe. Alam mo naman yung mga mister pagka magwi-weekend. Nasa garahe, kung anong pinipindot. Pinipindot. Kami ko anything coriander. Yung may pinagbibili sila na parang inakay halaman. Pero binili ko rin ganun dahil para wag samahan ng soil. Diga, nakakita na kayo nun. Sa Pilipinas wala yatang coriander. Ito'y Thailand Thai. I think it's coriander is from Thailand. I'm not sure if so. I believe in magic. Maybe one, maybe more. Para akong si anong tawag doon? Ramsey. Wow. Sabi ni Ramsey, you go to that. If you do that, charot. Tayo, baka tayo masigawan ng multo. Masigawan tayo ng multo. Kumusta na kayo nga pala? Lagi na ako may sinasabi. Hindi naman ako namumumusta. I hope you are doing great. Yan. Lalagyan ko ng isang itlog. 1 egg. 1 egg in the motion. Parang namimiss ko yung yan. Lumaway na. Namimiss ko yung balat. Anong balat? Balot. I miss the balot. Pero hindi ko makain yung sikuam. Hindi ko makain si ibon. Nakakain ko lamang ay yung pula, tsaka yung puti. Yung puti ay matigas. Hina-hina lamang. At pagka may pustiso, baka sumama yung pustiso sa puti. Di kinakaumis ng walang ngipin. Ay siya. Ito naman po, ito yung breadcrumbs. Lagay ko ang breadcrumbs. Napadami. Parang pancake. Yun. Nilagay ko sa breadcrumbs. Na para siya ay mistay. Na hindi yung siya na hindi yung burara. Tama na ito. Pero baka ito kulang ng asin. O ng black pepper. I will put the more black pepper. But this time is the black pepper. Not with the lemon. Nakalimutan ko. I forgot that I already put the the chili flakes. Chili flakes is very spicy. Lalo nang umusok ang muso ni Mister. Pati yung isang muso, ayawan ko. Kayo na ang mag-decide. Ngayon, hugasan ko muna aking kamay. I will wash my hands. And then I will make that, we call that pan beef. Pan beef. Instead of the small one, we make a big one like this. Like that. That we call that pan beef in Sweden. The traditionally, that food, Swedish food. My father-in-law teach me how to do this. And but this one is not 100% from him, because I twist everything. Yun, dalawa pala yun. Yun, lagay. So, ilan? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, anim. 7. Lucky 7. Lucky 7. Yun, huwag nang paka. Di kumapit na ang kuhanda mo. Ang coriander. Yun, the last one. Last one. Number 7. It's my lucky number. Number 7. Gudu. Maliit yung isa. So, that's it. So, and we will fry it. We will fried. Iperituhin ang mga not so high heat, half heat. So na tayo. Yun, pagka ganyan na the sun is like that, it means temperature is good. Potatoes. Cooking potatoes. So, what is your dinner for tonight? Nakakain na? Have you eaten or you are going to eat? So, balik na natin, baliktad. Flip it. Oh, nice. Perfect color, I think. Dahil kung sa amin, I think, I'm not sure. But that is perfect color. Not so burned. So many things, kita yun natin ang magaling. Dapat tayo nagsasayaw minsan. Naku naman, sabi niya, patarapapapa. If the war is ending, I'm gonna rescue. Nawala na, hindi na alam ako ano yun. So, yun na. Ay, turok eh. Turok si Pauling. So, that's it. Decoration natin. We will look. Mainit pala yun doon. Somewhere out there. So, that's it's already done. We put it here. Like I said, because I'm going to make gravy. Ng pang sabaw. Sauce. I will make sauce. I'm gonna make some gravy of that. So, I will use the broth, beef broth. It take half one. Then let it shine. Then like this. Oh, this, sarap. This gravy, this is my father-in-law teach me how to do this, and since then, it's one of my favorite sauce. And we put 1 deciliter. Nothing hot. Because my husband like mini sauce. Ano naman may nakakarindi. Number 1. Hindi na dapat number 2 because you are noisy. Sorry po. So ating pabulakin, let it boil. Let it boil. And then it's boiling. And then he used to put orange marmalade. 1 tablespoon. No, 1 teaspoon. And let it boil again. And then little bit gravy. Gravy. Gravy na mascot. Yan tawag ito, yung palapot. Corn starch. Kasi siya na po't nabubulol na. Pati postiso ko. Hindi, wala naman akong postiso. Postiso ay nabubulol. Pati ang boses nabubulol. Ay di, bulol pa, wow. You will taste it, of course. Himot pa mo. Yeah, very good. That's the way you do it. So, that's it. Just a little bit like this and put it aside. Already about 6 p.m. here in Sweden, but the sunshine is still buhay pa, still alive. Staying alive. I mean the sunshine. So I will make good dinner. So tama na yun po yun sa akin. Yeah, one more. Maybe one more. And then, this one more maybe. I wanna love you. 2. It's, I think 2. And this one, the little one is to me. My husband will eat the rest. That one. Look. And then this one, this is especially you can eat this one without this. We call that lingon. That bear that you found it in the forest, but it's not here in south, I think. Maybe farther north. We call that lingon. The red one. Red berries. Yes, yeah, red berries. You know, I have to make decoration for you because I love to do this. So, that we call this the pickles. The fresh, what you call that? Fresh cucumber. Yun. Ayun, galing. Parang professional yan, ah. And then I made the tomato, cocktail tomato. And this side, I think it's here, on the other side. Para naman magandang kulay. Very nice. Nice, nice. Oh, I love tomato. Look at this one. Look. Oh, that berry. You can't eat this dish without this one. This is typical Swedish pan beef. So we put one, and then voila! I made it! Coriander, laman. Look at this. Yes. No. Wow! Voila! Lucas! Look! That is pan beef. The grind pork with berries and pickles and tomato. Wow! So, that's it for today. Naku, oh, sorry, the sun. Take one.